mommies, it's Tanya M, aka Diabla Verde. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to achieve this look, revamping an old wig, so stay tuned. Before we get into that, I just want to say, if you're not subscribed, stop what you're doing right now, hit that subscription button so you can be part of the Glam Mommy fam, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell, that way you'll be notified anytime I upload new media. So this wig today is actually an old wig. I've had it for 2 years. Yes, you heard that correctly, 2 years. I got this from a company called ohmygodherhair.com. It's a 360 unit, and when I originally got her, she was not this color. She was a natural brown. She was a wavy texture, so I did straighten her out. Over the years, obviously, like, you know, I had to cut back the lace because the frontal was balding. I did cut it after I bleached it, because this was a bad bleach job. This is the first bleach job I ever did, and although the end result isn't that bad and I still have compliments, I'm probably gonna be more secure wearing it at night. And you'll see why in the process where I'm showing you how to, like, you know, get the bangs together and whatnot. But yeah, it was really patchy job. It doesn't look that bad, but it was definitely a patchy job. This is a good idea for those women who want to hold on to your wig, but let's say the frontal is balding, and the frontal tends to bald a lot in the front area right here. This is really good because it masks that, and it still gives you the new sleek look. Like, if you are an Instagram junkie like me, you'll know that the whole bang units with the top knot ponytail is a new thing now, so a lot of celebrities are wearing their hair like that. So this is a good new style to add to your wig collection. Let me go ahead and turn around so you can see the horrible job I did with the bleaching. But yeah, didn't come out that bad. I still get compliments, like I said. Anyways, stay tuned for the mini tutorial. Thanks for watching. You can also follow me on social media. I have a Twitter, I have an Instagram, I have a Facebook. You name it, I have it. You can follow me there. Link will be down below in the description box. Love you guys. Hey mommies, I'm back, and I'm going to show you the wig that I'm working with. Excuse the bad bleach job. It was my first time. I'm just taking my hot comb and flattening out the hairs in the frontal and positioning them where I want them to be in order to cut the bangs and have the hair like laid perfectly so I can cut the bangs. I don't remember where I got this hot comb from. It is electric. I don't really care for it, but whatever. So next I'm putting the wig on my head because I want to cut the bangs while the wig is on my head. That way I don't have the bangs too long or too short doing it on a mannequin head. I wanted the bangs at a certain length, and even if it's still a little bit too short, I can still pull the wig a little bit further up onto my forehead just to bring it down a little bit. So I did a straight cut, and I'm just doing like little snips with the scissors just to give it less of a blunt cut look. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and flat iron it. I do take the wig and put it back on the mannequin head. I don't show y'all to fix the bangs because I was having a little trouble from it sitting on top of my head, and this is me still trying to work with it on top of my head, and I started burning myself. So I was like, oh no, can't do this. Okay. Alright, so I went ahead and did my makeup, and I'm positioning the wig back on my head from me fixing cutting it a little bit more on the mannequin head and flat ironing it better so where the bangs lay on my forehead. And so the next step, what I'm going to do is actually glue the lace fronts to my forehead. Only on the sides though, only on the sides, because I didn't plan on keeping this wig on long because I had to do other reviews, but I did want to show y'all how it's going to look. So I just did like 1 or 2 layers of the Ghost Bond glue on the sides to lay it down. That way I could position the hair into a updo ponytail without it looking, without you seeing the lace flap and whatnot. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and put her up in a ponytail. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and comment down below. You can laugh about the dye job. I know it's horrible. Also, follow me on social media networks. I have a Twitter, I have a Facebook, I have an Instagram, you name it, I have it. So all those links will be down below, and you can see previews on what's to come to my YouTube channel over there. Thanks for watching. Love you guys.